What else is going on? Mufti Fawz Mutabir is saying, hey, Mufti, is Hijrah obligatory upon a Muslim to a Muslim country, and why do some ulama say it is? You've got to be crazy to do Hijrah. Hijrah means migration. Where on earth would a person migrate? And why would you want to migrate? Let's be honest. These countries are the best countries in the world. Like, let's just be honest about it. I mean, no, why, why blag? Would you? I mean, there may be some difference between them. Some may be better slightly in some legal perspectives, rights. But I would say Europe, by and large, especially Western Europe, um, is really the kind of, it is, I'm not, it's by no means perfect, but it is definitely in the peak of the human hierarchy in human civilization and the development of civil society. You can't really, even America really isn't, because America, there's some parts of America that are incredibly advanced and civil, and like there's so many facilities and the whole thing, and some parts of it which resemble the third world. And so Western Europe, by and large, with its laws, with its human rights, with its and it's this doesn't mean that it's perfection. It's definitely not, and there's plenty of room for improvement. That said, it's, why would you want to leave this and go to somewhere like Afghanistan? Well, if that's the case, then good luck, mate. Because that's what Darwin would call natural selection.